We are live.
All right, Ashish. We'll just start in a minute. Good afternoon, Mahamudul. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever the part of day it is at your end. So basically, greetings of the day. Hope you all are doing well. Hi, Pratik. Hi, Tashin. Tahasin. So today we will be doing revision on the topic which we did day before yesterday. Yesterday was holiday. I hope you people have enjoyed your holiday in a proper way. You have studied well. You have utilized your time. Yes, no? Asif, Nishat,
Yes,
Saloni.
ma'am.
So have you utilized your time?
Yes, ma'am.
Super. Hi, Saloni. Okay. So Ashish, if you are there, can you just provide Zoom link in YouTube chat? If you are hearing to me. We'll just start in 2 minutes, people. I am doing so well, Saloni. Thank you for asking. So I'm as awesome as you people are. And I'm doing as well as you people are. Okay. So, right. I hope you people have got Zoom link now. Surjo, good afternoon, Surjo. Hope you're doing well. Hi, Pliwell. So we'll just wait for another 1 minute. Let people come to Zoom in case if they want to, because already Zoom link has been posted. Pratik has come. Welcome, Pratik. Anybody else? Okay. So today, like I told you, day before yesterday, whatever topic we did, what topic we did day before yesterday, you remember?
Average, ma'am.
Average, right? Okay. So we will be solving more questions on average. All right. So those who are new today, I don't know how you will take it, but I'm sure you will be able to understand. In case if you are unable to understand, you can always go for the previous video. All right. So I'll share the screen. All right. So I haven't numbered the question. I hope you remember the averages. Let's quickly take a recap. What we have to do, what method we have followed in averages. What method we have followed in averages, you remember?
Neutralization.
Something neutralization, right? We have, what we have done is, we have what we have done, we were looking for plus minus kind of thing, right? Plus and minus, and we were adjusting, trying to get it zero. So one simple question, like how to calculate average for few terms. If I'll take 10, good afternoon, Sandili, good to see you here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So what will be the average for this? Hi, RK. So you can join from the Zoom link, RK. It's just 2 message above your message. 30, right? This was one more thing because it was 10 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It is in arithmetic progression. As it is in arithmetic progression, whenever the series is in arithmetic progression, what we do, we take first term and last term. We take first term and last term and divide it by 2. So you will get 30. You will get 30, right? So this is 30. One more way of doing it is, let's take some random number, 11, 22, 46, 58. How much it is? Let me take 63. Right. So what will be the average for this? What will be the average for this? What we will do? What we will do? We will generally we add them and then we divide it by 5. So 11 plus 22 plus 46 plus 58 plus 63. We add them and then divide it by 5. This was one direct way. So 1, 2, 3, 16, 9, 8, 17. 17 plus 3 is 20, 0 to carry forward, 5, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 6, 20. So 200 by 5. 200 by 5, it means it is giving you what? What is the average? Average is 40. But one more way of solving this, we had seen 11, 22, 46, 58, 63. Just a few minutes recap and then we'll move to the question. After this, we'll move to the question. So I'll assume 46 is the average. My assumed average is 46. My assumed average is 46. So if it is 46, I'll write 46 everywhere. Right, and then let's see. 46 minus 46 is 0. 58 minus 46 is plus 8. Right? 4, no, this is not 8. 58 minus 46 is, it's 12. This is 12 plus 12. 63 minus 46 is 17, right? 46 minus 11. 46 minus 11 is minus 35. And 22 minus 46 is minus 24. So what we need to do now? What we have to do it now? What we do generally? We add all minus 35, minus 24, plus 0, plus 12, plus 17. We add all and then we'll see first of all. Is it giving us 0? Is it giving us 0? Is it giving us 0? Sandali, is it giving us 0? Yes, last time you told me you are struggling with. So as you are today on Zoom, let me help you out. So when you add this, are the terms getting cancelled easily? No, it is not giving you 0, right? So this will be what? Minus 35 minus 24 is minus 59. Minus 59 plus 0, let it be minus 59 plus 12. Minus 59 plus 12 will be minus 47. Minus 47 plus 17 is minus 30. So you are getting 30 extra. Minus 30, right? You're getting 30. Yes, Andy, you were correct. So 30 needs to be divided amongst how many numbers? 5 numbers. So 30 by 5. 30 by 5 will give you what? Minus 6. It means that whatever average we have assumed, 46, we need to subtract 6. 46 minus 6 is equal to 40. So 40 is your average. All right. This is minus 59 plus 12 plus 17, which is equal to minus 30. This minus 30 will be divided by 5. I hope that's clear. Yes. So let's move to the questions now. Right, we will divide it by 5. Super. Okay, so all right. Let me start with where is that question? Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's solve this one only. I wanted you to start with some other one, but yeah, let's start with this. Okay, got the answer? Right, Asif. Super. How about others? Nishat? Pratik, I think this is your first class, so I'm not sure. But try to understand. I'm sure you will be able to understand somewhat. Subhash, yes, Subhash, done. Rahul, all right. Okay, all right. So the average runs of a cricket player of 10 innings was 32. So 10 innings, how many innings? We'll go with our direct method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 also, right? Right, Sabyasachi. Roy, that's 76. All of you got it. Good. So 10 inning is 32. This is 32. This is 32, 32, 32, 32. I will not write it again, but yeah, as we are doing this first question of this session, so we'll write it. How many runs must he make in his next inning so as to increase his average by 4 runs? So if average is increasing in if average is increasing because of this 11th inning, everywhere he is giving 4 runs. So this 4 he will give how many times? 10 times. So 4 into 10 will give you, this entire thing will be plus 40, such that it will become 36. So if this is plus 40, I need to write minus 40 here. I don't know how many runs he had scored in 11th inning. X minus 40 is equal to 36 or X is equal to 76. This is one way. One more way we have seen, yeah, Anjali, cool, Anjali, good. Mahmudul, that's correct. So we can do one more thing. If to each inning he is giving 4 runs, it means that he would have got 4 into 10, 40 runs extra. 4 into 10 innings, 40 runs extra. So after like 36 plus 40, how you're getting this 36? Because even in 11th inning, it will be 32 plus 4, 36 will be the new average. I hope that's clear. Yeah, right, Surjo. Many of you have answered. Wonderful. Let's go for this one. So today we might start new topic based on how we will solve the questions on averages. That way. 23, Rahul. Okay. So this one, the average of 7 consecutive number is 20. So if you know consecutive number is nothing but a a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3, and so on, like adding one consecutive number or continuous number, right? So I can take 7 consecutive number. One more thing I can do to make life simple here is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers will be there. So if I'll take fourth one as a, so fifth one will be a plus 1 and this one will be a minus 1. Sixth one will be a plus 2 and second one will be a minus 2. Seventh one will be what? A minus 3 and first one will be what? Seventh one will be a plus 3 and this will be a minus 3. Now that average is given, which means that nothing but addition of all this, addition of all 7 terms, divide by what? 7, and that is equal to 20. So when I add all these 7 terms, you see plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 1 and 1 will get cancelled. So basically I'm getting 7a by 7 is equal to 20, which means that a is equal to 7. Sorry, a is equal to 20, right? So if a is equal to 20, the largest of these number will be what? 21, 22, 23. So the largest of these number is 23. All of you got it? Now we are reaching to one conclusion here. If the average of 7 consecutive term is 20, so can I say the middle term will be 20 only? If it is odd, yes or no? Okay, so one more thing. If I'll say, Jennifer, I'll explain. 7 consecutive numbers, right? So I know that middle number of 7 will be 4. So I have taken 4 as a. A is a number. So if you see 4 plus 1 is 5. So if a is equal to 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 3. Right? That's just for an example. But here, what we are doing, we are taking fourth term as a. So this will be what? A plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3. And other side, it will be a minus 1, a minus 2, a minus 3. So when you add all these terms, plus 3 minus 3 plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, all will get cancelled and you will get what? Let me write it. A minus 3, a minus 2, a minus 1 plus a plus 1 plus a plus 2 plus a plus 3 by 7. So when you cancel this, it will get cancelled. When you add this, it will get cancelled. So basically you're getting 7a by 7. Right now, had it been given the average of 7 consecutive terms is 30, the average of 7 consecutive term is 30, the largest of these numbers, still my answer will be what? What would have been my answer? What would have been my answer in that case? 33, right? Because number of terms given are odd. It means that middle number will be 30. So if middle number, that is fourth number, is 30, then 30 plus. Okay, if I'll change it to this, let's say the average of 9 consecutive integers. If it is 9 consecutive integer is 20, then what is the largest of these number? What would have been your answer? 24, right? Because 9 is what? Fifth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this term will be 20, middle term. Total numbers are 20, total given numbers are 9, which is odd. It means that middle term will be 20. So this will be 21, 22, 23, 24. If I'll make it as 11, 11 consecutive number is 30. The average of 11 consecutive number is 30, 30, 30. Or let's say 33, doesn't matter. Let me write it down somewhere. I hope you are understanding. The average of 11 consecutive numbers is 33. What is the lowest number? What is the lowest number? What would have been your answer this time? 28 or 25? For 11, it means that sixth number, the middle one, right? The middle one will be sixth. Middle number is sixth number. So sixth number is 33. It means that fifth number will be 31. Fourth number will be 30. Third number would have been 29. I forgot 32. Sorry, 32, 31, 30. Second number would be 29 and first number would be what? 28. Yes, 28 is the answer. 38 would be the largest number, right, Sabhyasati? And 28 will be the smallest number. Lowest number is 28 and the largest number is 38. Fair enough. So yeah, people on Hasib, yes, that Hasib, I think you are making some error. I hope you got it. Mahamudul, same case with you also. No problems, Anjali. And Anjali, that's correct answer. Fine. Let's move to the next question now. I'll tell you, Subhash. I think it's on next Thursday. 85. Right, Vikas? Okay. I'll wait for others also. Jennifer, understanding? Flywell, understanding? Eric? Tasnia? I hope you would have got the answer of this now. Yes or no? We have practiced enough question other day, right, Asif? How about others? I can solve this question, but I want you to solve. That's why I'm giving you enough time. Right, Wonder, right, Kings, Mahmudul. Andali, can you just check in quickly? How many people are there? 8 people. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8. One of them weighing 65 kg is getting replaced. So if 65 kg is going out, when another person coming in, he is bringing 2.5 kgs extra. So if he gives 2.5 kg to each person, it means that he is getting how many kgs extra? If he's giving 2.5 to each person, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, it means that he's bringing how many kgs extra? 20 kgs, 2.5 into 4 into 2. So this is 5 into 4, 20 kgs extra. If he's getting 20 kgs extra with respect to 65, so your answer will be 85, right? Your answer is 85. Done, 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 done. Is that clear? Jennifer, Flywell, Muka, please reply quickly. Done. You've already got it. Okay, Sheikh Hasnath, nice. All clear, wonderful. Okay, right, Jennifer, that's the answer. Okay, people, thank you so much for replying. because that's where I get the sense that you are understanding. Otherwise, it's just like I'm talking to myself. But when you reply, it really gives me a great amount of satisfaction. Okay, fine. So yeah, now this is little different. What would be the answer? Sushmita, what was happening in that previous question was 8 people were there, and one guy who was going, he was weighing 65 kgs. And now another person comes in. When another person comes in, he is bringing, because of his weight, everyone is getting 2.5 kg extra. So now forget about mathematical way, just think logical way. If new person is coming, whoever is replacing one, so average is increasing, it means that new person is getting more weight. Now, how much more weight he will get? Whatever the amount he had distributed to others. So he had distributed 2.5 kg to each person. So it means that 2.5 to 8%, it means 2.5 into 8 is equal to 20. So as compared to the previous guy, he would have got 20 kgs extra. And the previous guy was 65 kgs. So 65 plus 20, 85. I hope that's clear, Sushmita. That was for you. Okay, so the average of 5 consecutive odd number is 61. Again, if you see consecutive odd numbers are like what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So if I take this number as A, if I take this number as A, this will be A plus 2 and this is A plus 4. This is what? A minus 2 and this is A minus 4, right? Again, when you add all this, a minus 4 plus a minus 2 plus a plus a plus 2 plus a plus 4 divide by 5. You don't need all this. Anyway, 4, 4, 2, 2 will get cancelled. So this a is nothing but what? The number itself. Because here you will get 5a by 5 is equal to 61. So a is equal to 61. Same question which we have solved similar one few minutes ago. So what is the difference between the highest and the lowest? So if this number is 61, this will be 63 and this will be 65. This will be 59 and this will be 57. So 65 minus 57 is what? It's 8. Okay. One more way you could have done is this also. A plus 4 minus a minus 4. So you see this a and a will get cancelled out. So anyway, it's giving you 8. We don't need all these things also because they are asking you difference between the highest and lowest number. So directly you can say this way. This is the direct way. If they would have asked, yeah, first one is also, it's one and the same. If they are asking what is the highest number, then go for this. If they are just asking the difference, then take this number, subtract it from this, you will get 8. It's one and the same. It's purely logic. Fair enough. Let's move to the next one. All right. There was one question which I was typing. I don't know where did it go. Okay, yeah, fine. We will come by. Sorry. So let's solve this one only. Let's go in order. Doesn't matter. Have we solved this question? Not really. Fair enough. Correct. Asif, Surjo, who else? Rahul. Yeah. Very good, Sandali. Nice. Saloni, what happened to you? Not replying? Jennifer, Flywell, today you are also not replying much. Eric, you are also in quiet mode today. Don't know why. Okay, so what would be the answer? Many of you have got it. Yeah, so let's discuss. A pupil's marks were wrongly entered as 83 instead of 63. So 63 is correct. And they have added what? 83. That's incorrect. So what happened? Because of this, 20 marks are extra. Right? Due to that, the average marks for the class got increased by half. So everybody is getting half mark extra. Everybody is getting half mark extra. So we want to know how many people are there. All right. So simply what we will do, we will divide this 20. We will divide this 20 by half, because this 20 is getting split as 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 amongst number of people. So 20 by 2, 20 by half is equal to 40, and that's your answer. 40 is the answer. Right, people? 40 is the answer. Let's move on. Very good. Many of you have got the answer. Okay. Try this one. Similar one we have solved already. RK, I don't know then what's the problem, because others have already joined. So I am seriously not sure. Maybe there would be some issue at your end, network issue. Okay. Forty-eight was wrongly taken as 23. So they were supposed to write 48, but they have written 23. So how many? They have written 25 marks less. They forgot to write. Now, because of this 25, they did not write this 25. Now, again, this 25 will get divided amongst 50 people. So it means that they have written 0.5 less. It means that the correct answer is what? 36 plus 0.5, 36.5. Yes, that's the answer. Wonderful. Awesome. Okay, let's solve this one. How many Sundays would be there? 5 or 4? How many Sundays? We will be taking how many Sundays there? 5 or 4? So generally, whenever it's the average number of visitor per day in a month of 30 days, beginning with a Sunday, it means that a month is beginning with a Sunday. If a month is beginning with a Sunday, it means that there will be 5 Sundays. All right, there will be 5 Sundays overall. So on 5 Sundays, how many average visitors? 510 and 240 on other day. We are considering a day is a month is of 30 days. So there will be 5 Sundays, and how many other days? There will be 25 other days. All right, so this will be done in 510 into 5. How am I doing this? Number of people, let me just write it. Number of people on Sunday, summation of number of people on Sunday divided by total number of Sundays is equal to 510. Right, 285 is the answer. Another one is summation of number of people on other day. Other day divided by 25, and this is equal to what? 240. So I'll say when I'll add this, when I'll add all this, it will be 510 into 5 plus 240 into 25 divided by 30. You can take 30 common. When you take 30 common here, it will be 30 into 17 is 510. So 17 into 5 plus this is 30 into 8. 30 into 1 minute. Yeah, it can be written as 510 into 5 could be written as 30 into 17 into 5, and this 240 could be written as 30 into 8 into 25 divided by 30. So when you take 30 common, it will be 17 into 5 is 85 and 8 into 25 is 200. By 30, this will be your answer, 285. Okay. There is a direct way again to solve in a similar way what we were doing, how many, but I think this will be easy in this particular question. So go with this. All right. Yeah. So 285. Very good. Fine. We'll come back to this question little later. Let's try this one. We have already solved similar one, but this is just for the practice. Okay, there is a doubt in the previous one. Let's solve this question, then I'll go back to the previous one. Okay, Mahmudul and Sushmita, I'll come back. Right, Asif, that's good. Let me get more answers. Okay, right. So the average age of 8 men is increased by 5 years when two of them whose ages are 20 years and 24 years are replaced by two new men. So there are two new men are coming. Because of these two, what is happening? Everyone is getting 5 years extra. So how many people are there? 8 people. It means that these people would have got 5 into 8, 40 years extra. 40 years extra as compared to what? As compared to this 44. So these two people addition would be what? 44 plus 40, that is 84. But we need to calculate average, so that's why it is 42. So hence the answer is 42. I'll repeat. So as two people who are going out, their addition is 44, 20 plus 24, 44. Two new people who are coming in, they are bringing 5 kgs extra for each and every one. So if each person is getting 5 kgs, it means that 8 people will get 40 kgs. So think about it. They would have got 40 kgs extra, right? 40 kgs extra. So their weight will be, weight will be 44 plus 40. That is 84. But we need to calculate average. So 84 by 2, 42. Fine. I hope that's clear. Mahamudul, Shushmita, is that clear? Okay, Anupa, right. Fine. Somebody wanted me to explain this question, Mahamudul and Sushmita, right? So let's look at this. A library is an average of 510 visitors on Sunday. So think about total number of people coming on Sunday. Total number of people coming on Sunday will be equal to what? One Sunday, 510. So 5 Sundays will be 510 into 5. Similarly, people coming on other day. People coming on other day. So we know that one day it is 245. So all those 25 days, it would be 240 into 25. This will be the total number of people visiting the library. All right. Now we need to calculate average number of visitors per day. So for that per day, we are dividing it by 30. Total number of people divided by 30. How we got total number of people? People who visited on Sunday were how many? 510 into 5. Plus people who were visited on other day were how many? 240 one day. So for 25 days, it will be 240 into 25 divided by 30. Okay. Just take 30 common. I can write it as 30 into 17 into 5 as it is. I can write 240 as 30 into 8. I took 30 common. 17 into 5 is 85 and 8 into 25 is 200. 85 plus 200 and this 30 will get cancelled out. Okay. I hope that's clear now. If it is still not clear, let me know. We will solve at the end. Okay, fine people, go for this one. Yo, Rahul. That's correct. People, if you will do direct method, no, you will get answer pretty fast. Use logic. I will say 80% of the questions in averages you can do orally. You don't even, the moment you look at the question, you will get the answer. And by chance, if they will not allow pen and paper, then of course we have to expect this type of questions only, which we can solve. So yeah, simple one. Right, that's the correct answer. Whoever had given answer to me so far. In an examination, a pupil's average mark was 63 per grade per paper. If he had obtained 20 more marks for his geography paper and 2 more marks for his history, so 20 plus 2, basically he's getting 22 extra. And because of this 22 extra, average, which was 63 earlier, became 65. So this 2 is increasing. This 2 is increasing because of this 22. 63 average, which was earlier 63, became 65 now. So it means that average increased by 2. Now this average is increasing by 2 because of what number? Because of 20 in geography and 2 more marks in history. So this 2 increased because of 22. So basically 22 got distributed as 2, 2, 2 to everyone. So we need to calculate how many paper. So this will be 22 by 2, 11 is the answer. Yes, 11 is the answer. Done. Right. Jennifer, is that clear? Binay, Jennifer, Tasnia, Wonder. We are not sure about that, Rahul. Still, that a question is mystery to me, because of some things we were not in contact with the students, and moreover this notice came at very end, so not sure. But yeah, we don't have to worry much. But the paper level was easy. Even people see intention of Indian government is to bring you people here, right? If they are giving you scholarship and other things, if government is taking some measures, so their intention is so clear. Their intention is like, yes, we should do justice with the students. So one thing is so clear: if they haven't allowed pen and paper by any chance in last year, right, then what we can do, we can always expect some direct questions. And if you people, that's why I keep on telling you that focus on concepts also. All right, focus on concepts so that you will be able to solve each and every question. Whether pen is allowed, not allowed, you will be able to solve. Yeah, so today I hope you know that there is a seminar, right? The seminar is at 4 o'clock today. So you can ask your questions. Make a list of what all questions you want to ask. Like the other day, somebody was asking me, why should we use Change University? Right? I don't know. I don't remember the name of the person. So make a list of whatever doubts you have about university. Yesterday was seminar or today it's there? Because Ashish was telling me that it got postponed yesterday. So in next seminar you will ask. All right, I think there is one seminar today also. Okay, now next Friday. All right, so next Friday remember to ask this. Okay, we'll move to the next question now. All right, try to this answer within 10 seconds. Be honest with yourself and try to count 10 seconds and try to get the answer. Yo, Asif. Good. Nice. How I'll wait for others also. Not 35. Right, Eric. This is your first reply for the day today, Eric. Right, Surjo. Okay, I guess many of you have got it. Those who haven't got, fine. So 36 students are there in a group, right? How many students are there? 36 students. And their average is 14 as of now. Says their average is 14. Right, Jennifer, that's correct. When teacher's age is included, average increases by 1. So teacher's age is also 15. So plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. How many times? This is 36 times. This plus 1 is 36 times. So if this is 36, I need to take this as minus 36, a teacher's age. So x minus 36 is equal to 15, or x is equal to 15 plus 36. Answer is 51. Right. Moreover, I can say that teacher had given, when 14 becomes 15, that time teacher had given 1 year to 36 students. It means that 15 plus 36, 51 would be answer. Same thing. Okay. Fine. Let's solve 1 minute. That question will solve at the end. Okay. Go for this. This is typical question. Everyone who have cleared 10th or 12th SSC or HSC should get this. If someone had not cleared, still it's okay. You will get this. Don't worry. So the average of 6 number is 3.95. The average of 2 of them. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, so average of these two will be what? Like 1 plus 2 by 2 is equal to 3.4. So 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3.4 into 2. And similar way, I can say 3 plus 4 will be what? 3.85 into 2. 3.85 into 2 plus we need to calculate the average of remaining numbers. So first of all, we will calculate the addition. This is 3.95 into 6. So let's solve. This is 6.8 plus 3.85 into 2. 85 into 2 will be 1.7. And this is 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 1.7 will be 7.7. Right? 8, 7, 15. And this is 14.5. So fifth term and sixth term will be fifth plus sixth term is equal to 3.95 into 6. 0.95 into 6 is how much? 6 into 90 is 540 plus 30 is 57. So this is 5.7, right? 6.95 is 5.7 and 6 into 3 is 18. 18 plus 5.7 will be 23.7. We need to subtract 14.5. So this will give you 2. 13 3 minus 4 is 9. And this is giving you 9.2. So 9.2, fifth and sixth term, but we need to calculate average. So I need to divide it by 2. Hence the answer is 4.6. Right? This is a typical one, but just I have taken one example. All right, let's move to the next one. What's the answer for this one? $35. Okay, good, Aman. Righto. All of you got it? The average of 5 number is 27. If one number is excluded, the average becomes what? So the average becomes 25. It is given that average becomes 25. So the excluded number is, so it is 27, 27, 27, 27, 27. If one number gets removed, then this will become 25, 25, 25, 25, right? So this is like -2, -2, -2, -2. So if this is all -2, -2, so here we need to add 8. So this is your 35. This is your fifth number. Okay, excluded. So yeah, you can do that way also. 27 into 5 is 135. 25 into 4 is 100. 135 minus 100 is 35. Right, that's also correct. Here, right, Eric, that is also correct. That's general method. This is also same way. So how Eric has done, I think many of you would have done in a similar way. Average of 5 number is 27. Summation of 5. Summation of 4 will be 25. So summation of 4 plus fifth number is equal to 27 into 5, 135. This is 100. 25 into 4 plus fifth number is equal to 135. Fifth number is equal to 35. Yeah, one and the same. Okay, this one. Right, Rahul? Okay, 49 is the answer. Let's not wait for too much. Like I told you, the average is given. So new average is old average. Number is added by 8. So new average will be old average plus 8. 41 plus 8 is equal to 49. Right. Had it been given if each number is multiplied by 8, your answer would have been what? 41 into 8. That is 328. Had it been given if each of the number is divided by 2, the new average is equal to what? So that will be what? 41 by 2, 20.5. One last one. If each of the number is subtracted by 3, new average question mark. 41 minus 3. 41 minus 3 is equal to 38. All right. Done. So what's the answer for this one? Everyone should answer this question, especially who are there on Zoom and who have already finished the last class. Yo, Bikash. Awesome. Yes, Binay. Right. I'm waiting for people, those who have not answered. So, like I said, be a player, don't be a spectator, right? Come on. Who had not answered so far? Thank you. Thank you for responding. Right. And the here answer is 84. So 3 years when one of them whose age is 54 years. So average increases by 3. 3 into 10, 30 years. It means that 54 plus 30, 80 years. 84 years. Right. Okay. Fine. This is little different. Not too much. Actually, not. It is not different. What would be the answer here? No, no. Are you sure it is 49? So remember this time, the person is not getting replaced by new one. It is like out of 50, if one student goes, he goes. He doesn't come back. Okay. So what would be the answer? How many students are there? 50 students, right? Student 1, student 2, student 3, so on up to student 50. What was their weight? Their weight was 50 kgs, right? Their weight was 50 kgs. So student 49, no, 50 is not the correct answer. Now think people, like let's say if this person is going out, if this person is going out, all right, and average is reducing by what? The average weight drops by 1. It means that everywhere it is dropping by 1. So this will become 49, right? We need to calculate the actual weight. So 50, the one who has gone out, and this minus 1, how many times? 49 times. So it means that this has to be plus 49. So 50 plus 49, 99. So the answer is what? 99, not 49. Majority of you have answered 49. But I hope it is clear why 99. Now, one more way. Think logically. If this person is going out, if this person is going out and everyone's weight is reducing, so who is taking this 1 kg? They are giving this 1 kg is reducing because of this person, right? So it means that from their weight, they are giving 1 kg to this person. So if 49 people are there, 1 kg, so 1 into 49, this person will take 49 extra along with him. So 50 plus 49, 99 is the answer. Done? I hope that's clear now. Answer is 99, not 100. Trust your concept, people. Answer question could be here and there. That's okay. But trust your concept. Trust your logic. All right, let's move to the next one. Okay, try this one. Slightly tricky as compared to the numbers or with respect to numbers. Very good, Sabyasachi. Asif, awesome. Who's Vikash? Okay, cool. Good Sunday, Aman. Nice. $49.9 thing. Yes, Jennifer. Yes, people. Many of you have got the answer. Awesome. All right. Mahamudul RK will check it. So there are 50 students in a class. Their average weight is 45. So how many students? 50 students. Student 1, student 2, student 3, so on. Student 49. Right. Student 50. So everyone's weight is 45, 45, 45. Right. So this is also 45. Assumed one. When one student leave the class, let's say this person is leaving the class, the average weight reduces by 100 gram. So it is 100 gram and this is kg. So 100 gram 49 times. 100 gram 49 times. 49 into 100, it means that it will be 4.9 kgs. Right? So if it is minus 100 grams, so here I have to add 4.9. So the answer is 49.9. Awesome. Okay. So what will be the answer for this question? $45. Okay. If the weight of teacher be included, the average rises by 400 gram. So 35.4 plus what we need to add. New average is 35.4. 24 student, S1, S2, S3, so on till 24 student. So everyone is weighing 35, 35, 35. Now teacher comes in. I don't know the age of teacher, but what happens to the weight? Everyone's weight increases by 0.4. So this 0.4, how many times? 24 times, right? So 25, this will be minus here because this is all plus 0.4. I hope now you got this. Plus 0.4 plus 0.4. How many times? 24 times. So this is minus 24 into 0.4. So 24 into 400 gram is how much? 24 into 400. 0.4 is how much? 4, 4, 16, 4, 2, 8. 9.6, right? So 35.4 plus 9.6 kg. 46, this is 45. Yes, awesome. Fine, people. Yes, that's your answer. Okay. All right. I think because what you're writing is, it's not 24.4, it is 35.4. I hope you understood that. Yes. Okay, I want you to solve this question now. First, read the question and then I'll explain to you what it is. Right, because no worries. Okay, so here the present average 10 years ago, the average age of a family, 4 members, was 24 years. Two children having been born with the age difference of 2 years, the present average age of the family is the same. Can you tell me, is the same means what? It's 34 or 24? 34 means 10 years ago. If 10 years ago it was 24, it means that now it would be what? 34. So here the same means what? It would be 34 or 24. 24, right? So basically the present average age of the family is the same. Whenever they mean to say same, it means like this number. Whatever years ago they had given, you need to take that. Many times the question is not clear, but wherever I have solved n number of question of similar type, and everywhere they have made it same. So when they are saying same, it means that they are referring to this number. All right. Now can you give a try? Right. Yes, Sabyasachi. That's correct now. So 10 years ago, 10 years ago, right, because 10 years ago, the average age of family of 4 members was 24 years. It means that 24, 24, 24, 24. It means that now it would be 34, 34, 34, 34. Now two children have been born with the age difference of 2 years. So let's say one is of X and other one is of X plus 2. And the present average age of the family is the same. It means that that's 24, 24, 24, right? So now if this is minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, so this will be plus 40. Sorry, this is minus 10, right? Yeah. So minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. So this is plus 40. And this is equal to what? 24, 24. So 24 plus 24 is 48. So here x plus 2 plus 40 is equal to 48. So 2x is equal to 42. 48 minus 42 is 6. So x is equal to 3. So your answer is what? The youngest child is of 3 years. The elder child is of 5 years. Okay. I hope that's clear. Anybody wants me to repeat? Because this was a new question, but the concept is similar, what we have done. Okay, all right. How about others? Can you reply quickly? We are about to end this topic. Repeat. Okay. So Jennifer, they are saying 10 years ago, the average age of family was four member was 24. 10 years ago, it was 24. So if 10 years ago, it was 24, now it means what? 10 years later from this point. So we do what? We will add 10 to it. So it means that their average age now is equal to 34, 34, 34. But of these four people, but now two children have been born with the age difference of 2 years. So I'll say x and x plus 2. Now, if this is 34, and now they're saying the present average age of the family is the same. Is the same means nothing but this number is the same as it was 10 years ago. So this 34 became 24. So this minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, that is minus 40. If this is minus 40, to neutralize it, I'll add plus 40 on the other side. All right. So x plus 2, two children age plus 40 is equal to what? 48. 24 plus 24. So 2x is equal to 48 minus 42. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 3. Is that clear now? Surjo and Jennifer? Rajan, I hope that's clear now. Biraj, Rajan. Okay, all right. I hope it's clear to Rajan and Biraj also. So let's move on then. Okay, so this question, we'll do one thing, we'll do one concept first, and then because you can solve this in a regular way. The average salary of 12 employees of a Star Plus is rupees 8,000 and 15 employees of NDTV is rupees 16,000 per month. The average salary of all the 27 employees. So this is called as weighted average. What we do, 12 into 18,000 plus 15 into 16,000. This is what we have done for that visitor question also, library question, right? So 12 into 8,000, 15 into 16,000 divided by 27 will give you the answer, right? Similar. So I want to tell you some other method for this. We will see that. Same way this one also. 6,000 for two people. And CD and E 8,000. So 8,000 for three people. What is the average of 5 people? Divide by 5. You will get the average. Done? I hope you are understanding. I'll tell you another method. Use that method. We'll come to that. So this question we'll see at the end. When we will learn one more method, then we will come to this. All right. So I want you to solve this last two questions. First of all, let's solve this one. Do you know how to take bowling average? Anybody knows how to take bowling average? All right. So bowling average is equal to what? Number of runs given by number of wickets. Number of runs given by that bowler and how many wickets he had taken. That is bowling average. All right. Fine. So I'll say go with traditional method only in this particular question, because I was trying to look for the shortcut, but I was not getting it. And the shortcut was becoming, or that logical method was becoming more longer. So rather than that, traditional method is also okay. it's not like we don't have to use traditional method at all. We have not taken any oath, nothing like that. All right. Anybody got the answer? Right, Vinay. Awesome. Okay. So runs per wicket, right, Royal? So a man whose bowling average is 12.4, a man whose bowling average is 12.4 takes 5 wickets for 26 runs and thereby decreases his average by 0.4. So, right. First of all, we know that bowling average in the beginning is 12.4. So summation of runs divided by wicket, number of wickets, whatever was earlier is equal to what? 12.4. Now he takes 5 wickets for 26 runs. It means that, or let's take it as R only, number of runs increased by 26 and wickets increased by 5 runs, right? Number of runs increased by 26 and wickets also increased by 5 runs. So wicket plus 5 and thereby decreases his average by 0.4. It means that new average will be 12.4 minus 0.4. So this is equal to 12. All right. Now, can I say from this first equation, R is equal to 12.4 W, right? So I'll write it here. 12.4 W plus 26 is equal to 12 W plus 12 into 5, that is 60. Fine, we need to calculate W only. So it's good we have eliminated everything in terms of this. So this is 12.4 W minus 12 W is equal to 60 minus 26. 60 minus 26 is 34. 630, yeah. And this is 0.4 W, which is 0.4 W is equal to 34. W is equal to 34 by 0.4. This decimal will get cancelled here. 340 by 4. 340 by 4, 4, 8, 32, 285. 85 will be your answer. All right. Fine, people. Now, many of you might be thinking that why we are doing such type of question. But yeah, this question, this particular question, when I was appearing, like when I have appeared for mock test of IND SAT exam, this question was there. So that's why I made sure to include this question. All right. Done. I hope it is done. Fine. Let's solve one last question on for averages. Then we'll see another questions. Okay, let's solve this one. A car owner buys petrol at 7.5, 8, and 8.5 per liter for 3 consecutive successive years. What approximately is the charge, is the average cost per liter of petrol if he spends 4,000 each year? So what is his total spend? If he's spending 4,000 per year, it means that overall what amount he had spent? 7.98. Good. What is the total spend will be what? 3 into 4,000, that is 12,000 rupees, right? Now what we have to take? We need to see how each year how much is he spending, right? We need to see each year how much he is spending. So a car owner buys petrol at rupees 7.5. So in 4,000 rupees, how many liters he would have bought? Because to calculate average cost per liter, I need total cost. I need total cost upon total liter. This is what I need. I do have total cost, that is 12,000 rupees, but I do need total liter. How will I get this total liter? In first year, he spent 4,000 rupees, where the petrol price was 7.5. It means that this much quantity of petrol he would have used. Second year, he spent 4,000 rupees and the petrol cost was rupees 8 per liter. Third year, 4,000 divided by 8.5. So this will give you what? Quantity, or you can say total liter used. So take 4,000 common. This will be what? 1 by 7.5 can be written as 2 by 15 into 2. If I'll do into 2, this will become 2 by 15 plus this is 4,000 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 8 because I have taken 4,000 common, and this will be 2 by 17. All right. Done. So 15 into 8 is 120, 120 into 17. So basically we need to do 17 into 12. 12, 7, 84, 8, 12, 1 and 8 is 20. So this is giving you 204. This is lengthy calculation. Let's do it quickly. This is 204. And do we have to add some zero? Yeah. So this is 2040. This is 2 into 8 into 17. 17 into 8 is how much? 8 into 10 is 80. 80 plus 56 is 136. So 2 into 136 is 135 into 2 is 270 plus 2, 272 plus 15 into 17. 15 into 17 is how much? 15 into 10, 150. 15 into 7, 105. So that's giving you 255 plus 2 into 120. 2 into 15 into 8 is 120. Okay. So let it be like this only. Let it be like this. Let's take this part now. It is on a higher calculation side, people, but I have just taken a question just to explain. I don't think so that this could be ever a part of your IND SAT exam because the calculations are bad. It is gonna take more than 2 minutes, not only 1 minute. It is gonna take more than that. The only thing is possible the question becomes easy when denominator like this 7.58 and 8.5 are all divisible of 4,000. Then your question will be simpler and could be done quickly also. Okay. In that case, it can get done quickly. So here it will be 272 plus 255 plus 120. Basically, I have to take 12,000 divided by 4,000. And this 2040 will go in numerator. And this is 272 plus 255 plus 120. 255 plus 120. Many of you who had got the answer, I think they have already used a calculator. 647. Now to make my life simpler, as I'm not using calculator here, what I'll do, I'll take this as 4,000 and I'll take this as 650. All right, and then I'll try to this. This is 1, this is 3, or else you can take it as 700 also, close to that. And this is 2100. So 3 into 2100 by 700. I'm just doing approximately. So the answer has to be somewhere close, less than 9. Now, how many options less than 9? It cannot be 6.3 because it is way too close. So I don't think so this approximation is working because it is way too far. All right. So what we can do, we just have to use calculator. If we are not doing this, this can get cancelled. 204 cancel by 13. 13, 5, 13, 1 and 74. I'll take it as equal to 13, 6, 78. I'll take close to 13. So 16 into 3 is 48, 48 by 5. 48 by 5, my answer should be slightly lesser than 48 by 5. So I think answer is 8.97 or 9.89. No, answer is 7.98. Okay, people, let's not waste our time in this. Fine. It is time consuming, yes. All right, let me do one thing here. If it is given 20, 40 and 25. Okay, forget about this. Forget about this. If it is given 20, 40 and 25. Now, don't you think so the answer will be quicker? Sorry. Rest of the answer is same, right? This will become 4,000 by 20 plus 4,000 by 40 plus 4,000 by 25. Now the calculation is easy. This can get cancelled. This is 200. This will get cancelled. This is 100. And 25, 1, 25, 4. 4 into 40 into 4 is 160. So this time your answer will be what? 12,000 divided by 200 plus 100, 300 plus 160, 460, right? So 12,000 divided by 460. So 1200 by 46. This is simpler than what we have done. So it all depends on numbers, right? If they are giving you 1 minute time, they will not expect you doing this. I hope the concept is clear. Forget about this calculation. Is concept clear? Can you reply yes or no? Yes or no? Clear? All right. So we are done with with averages, right? I have covered all one question. Yeah, these 3 questions. We'll just quickly see one thing and let me just change the slide. And then I'll come back to this slide again. I'll share one small thing. Maybe we'll not start that topic. But we are starting the topic. We'll not solve many questions. We'll solve it on next day. So mixture and allegations. So with the help of this also, we can solve the questions on averages. I'll tell you what type of question. Now, when you talk about mixture and alligation, what does it mean? You might have noticed, I don't know whether in your country you have noticed this or not, but I'm pretty sure you will have noticed this. Like, let's say there is a shopkeeper. All right, there is a shopkeeper and he has 2 types of rice. 2 types of rice. All right, he has 2 types of rice. So one type of rice is weighing, One type of rice is 40 rupees per kg, and second type of rice is 65 rupees per kg. Understand this concept? We'll go back on averages quickly. So one type of rice is 40 rupees per kg, another type of rice is 65 rupees per kg. When he mixed these two, he got third variety. That third variety is what? Mixture of first and second. All right, when he mixed these two, he got third variety, and it is costing him as 50 rupees per kg. Did you understand so far? Is my point clear? I repeat, there are two types of rice. One is 40 rupees per kg, and another one is what? 65 rupees per kg. All right, he mixed these two types of rice, and what is happening? The third type, whatever he mixed it these two, that is costing him as 50 rupees per kg. Now the question is, if he has to get this as 50 rupees per kg, what quantity he should buy from the first type and what quantity he should buy from the second type? What quantity should he buy? So what we do, 65 minus 50 is 15, and 50 minus 40 is what? 10. So when you cancel this, this is giving you 5, 3, 15, and this is giving you 5, 2, 10. All right, which means that in 1 kg of rice, which is 50 rupees per kg, I'll take 3:2 parts of first is to second type. So first is to second, I'll take 3:2, which means if I'm taking 1 kg, I'll take 600 gram of first type and I'll take 400 gram of second type. Or let me make it more clear. If I'm taking 10 kgs, if I'm buying 10 kgs, I'll take 6 kg for the first type and 4 kg for the second type. Now let's check. 6 kg, what is 1 kg price for the first type? It is 40. So 6 into 40, 6 into 40 is 240. And the second type of rice is 65. So 4 into 65. 4 into 65 is 270. 270 or 260? 4 into 6, 260. All right. So when you add this, 240 plus 260 is what? 500. In 500 rupees, how many kgs are you buying? 10 kgs. So 500 by 10 is giving you what? 50 rupees per kg. What we have got it earlier. Is that clear? Is that clear? Little bit. People, those who are on YouTube, I hope it is clear, though I can see there is a different conversation going on. But I hope you are understanding also. Okay, one more. So what happens is we'll take first type and second type. We call it as, let's say this is called as cheaper and then dearer. And then there is mean price. So how you get this ratio? Mean price, sorry, dearer price minus mean price, and this will be mean price minus cheaper. Okay, so this way it can get done. One more question. So this is giving you ratio. All right, fine. Let me ask you one more thing here. Missing some questions of averages from that handout. Okay, from that PPT, I'll go back to those questions. Similar one, I'll go back to those questions. We do have time, so I'll go back. Let me just solve one more question. So let's say first type of rice is 10 rupees per kg. Second type of rice is 50 rupees per kg. He mixed these two quantities and the mixture is 35 rupees per kg. All right, and the mixture is 35 rupees per kg. So what will be the ratio? What will be the ratio of first to second? 3:5 or 5:3? 50 minus 35 is how much? 15. And 35 minus 10 is how much? 25. So it means that the ratio is what? 3:5, right? Now, if he's buying 6 kgs of this type of rice, if he's buying 6 kg of type 1 rice, then type 2, how many kgs should he buy? If he's buying 6 kg of type 1, then how many kgs should he buy type 2? That's the question. How many kgs should he buy type 2? Ten kg, right, Aman? So this 3 became 6, right? Whatever the ratio you are getting here, 3:5, the same ratio has to be here also, 3:5. So if 3 became 6, it means that 3 into 2 is giving you 6. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So it means that he has to buy 10 kgs. All right, 10 kg. Is that clear? Is that clear? Done? Not done? Okay. All right. So how about this one? What would be the answer for this one? 1 minute. 1 minute. We'll come back. Okay. I don't have that question, is it? Fine. Let's solve this question. We will solve all questions, but let's solve this one first. Again, this is win-win. Wait, people. I haven't covered. Okay, I don't have any question like this. Fine. I'm sorry. So let's go for this one only then. Okay. So RK, I don't know how to share it because I don't have anyone's email ID and there is no proper channel also. Maybe we'll do something about it, right? As you have brought up this question, we'll make one, we'll do something. We will put it on one of our websites where you can access it. So let me speak about this. Okay. I'll get back to you in the next class. So the cost of type 1 rice is rupees 15 per kg and type 2 rice is 20 per kg. So one is 15 per kg and another one is 20 per kg. Now we don't know what is the mixed quantity, but the ratio is what? 2:3. Ratio is 2:3, right? So you can go ahead from option also actually. Otherwise, you can take 20 minus x upon x minus 15. 20 minus x is giving you 2. So this will be 2/3. 20 minus x is equal to 2. So this is 2 and x minus 15 is equal to 3. So this is equal to 3. When you will solve it further, this is 60 minus 3x is equal to 2x minus 30. And this is 90 is equal to 5x or x is equal to 18, right? This is one way. Or you can take option only. If I'll take option 20 minus 18 is 2, 18 minus 15 is 3. Yes, that's my answer. All right, as it is in ratio, here it is just giving you answer directly. Is that clear? I hope it is clear, right? We'll continue all these questions later. Let me go back to percent averages one, the one which I was talking to you, that we will come back. So those 2-3 questions I want to discuss. Let's discuss those questions. So now there was one question, this one, 510 visitors, right? On Sunday and 240 on other day. How to, okay, wait. Instead of this, let me take uh, this question first. So 12 employees, how to apply this method, the one which we have learned just now, how to apply this question in averages. 12 employees, their salary is what? 18,000. And then there are 15 employees whose salary is what? 16,000. The average salary of all the 27. So what will be the average salary of this? Now I don't know the ratio here. But what I know, this is 12 and 15. Here there are 12 people and here there are 15 people. Are you understanding so far? Can you reply quickly? People, those who have lost contact or like context, I must say. I hope they have also focused to it. People, I can see some people from Zoom, they are replying there. Okay, Jennifer, I'll tell you. So 12 employees of Star Plus is the average salary is rupees 8,000, 18,000. So this is one group, 12 people and 18,000 is the salary. And 15 employees of NDTV is rupees 16,000. So 15 people, 16,000 is the salary. Fine. That's what we have done so far. Now we know that this ratio, like if you remember the question which we have solved just now, 10 and 50 rupees per kg, 10 rupees per kg, and this was giving you 35, this will give you 15, and this was giving you what? 25. So the ratio you got was 3:5. So when you got 3:5, this part, the kgs what they are buying, that also has to be 3:5. That's why 6 kg, if one is buying 6 kg of first type, that person has to buy second type how many kg? 3 into 2 is giving 6, so 5 into 2 is 10. So whatever the ratio is applicable here, the same ratio will be applicable here also. Same way here, whatever ratio is here, 12 and 15, I can say it is 4:5, right? 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So if this ratio is here, this 4:5, so 4:5 will be here also. Are you getting it now? Jennifer, is that clear now? Okay, so how we will get it? 18,000 minus x is equal to 5 divided by what? X minus 16,000 is equal to this 4. So let's cross multiply. 4 into 18 is 72,000 minus 4x is equal to 5x minus 16, that is 80,000. All right, so 72,000 plus 80,000 is equal to 152,000 is equal to 9x. 9x or x? I have made some mistake. What mistake I made? Yeah, this is correct. 4x plus 5x plus 4x is 9x, and this will go here. 72 plus 80 is 152. So x is equal to what? 15200 divided by 9, right? So what I can say directly, it is 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 1 is 8. This number 152 is not divisible by 9. I repeat, 152 is not divisible by 9. So my answer cannot be 17,000, cannot be 16,500, because these are good number. And it cannot be data inadequate also, because I can find out the average. So my answer will be this. Okay. Got it, people? Just one more way of solving this question. Did you get it? All right. Bina, you were telling me about which questions. So whatever question, if you think that I haven't covered, you can always send on this website, email ID, step.learning.solutions, or I forgot, step.learning solution, I guess. I'll let you know quickly, @gmail.com. Fine. Can always send your query on this and we will take those questions also. So let me confirm the email ID to you people. So let's solve this question now quickly. It is correct. Step up. It is step up. Step up dot learning solutions. Learning solutions @gmail.com. Learning solutions is same word. Okay, so what would be the answer for this one now? Similar way. Anupa, cool. Mahmudul, I hope you are paying attention also rather than just busy in making group. I do understand that group is also important, but yeah, understand it in live also. So the average salary of A and B is 6,000. How many people are there? A and B? 2. So 2 is 6,000. How many people are CDA? 3. So this is 8,000. The average salary of all 5 people. I don't know this, but I know the ratio is 2:3. So 2:3, A is the answer. 72, yeah, I think 2:3. Fine, let's see. 8,000 minus X is equal to 2 and X minus 6,000 is equal to 3. So this is 24,000 minus 3X is equal to 2X minus 12,000. So this will come here. 24 plus 12 is 36,000 is equal to 5X. So X is equal to 36,000 by 5 and the answer is 7,200. Yes. I hope that's clear. Good, Royal. Good to see your answer from after a long time. All right. Can you try this question? Before we move to this question, I want to tell you one more thing. Not this one, this question, right? So this question can also be solved in a similar way. Okay, my line only had gone. 510 visitors on Sunday. So there are 5 Sundays and 240 on other days. Other days means what? 25 days. We need to calculate the average, right? So if this is 5, it means that here also it will be 5, and this is 25, it means that this is also 25. So this will be 5156. Sorry, this is 5. 5 5 is 25. Okay, so I can solve this as 510 minus X is equal to 5 and X minus 240 is equal to 1. Cross multiply. 510 minus X is equal to 5X minus 5 into 240. Now bringing X this side, bringing X this side and bringing this entire unit this side. So 510 plus 5 into 240 is equal to 6X. 240, 510, I can take 30 common and this will become 17 plus 5 into 8. You will get 6X, 6165. So 8 plus 5 is 40, 40 plus 17, 57. 57 into 5. Your answer will be 285. Okay. Jennifer, is that clear? Mahmudul, Jennifer, Sushmita, few of you have had doubt in this. I hope it is clear. Done. Thank you for acknowledging. All right, fine. Let's go for last question. We will solve question on mixture and alligation. That's tomorrow, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, we'll start one logical topic, easy topic. And what's the answer? No, Royal. Right, Sabyasachi. That's correct. Okay, so the average age of group of persons going for a movie is 20 years. 20 years is, there is one group where the number of people's average age is 20 years, 10 new persons with an average age of 10 years. So in second group, there is another group where there are 10 people with what average? Average ages of 10 years join the group on the spot, due to which the average group of these entire people became 18 or becomes 18. Find the number of person going for the movie. So now they are asking find the number of persons initially going for the movie. So let's say X people whose average age was 20 years, they were going for movie. Now there was another group where there were 10 people with the average of 10 years joined them, and the average became 18. So yeah, fairly simple. 20 minus 18 is how much? 2, right? And this is what? 18 minus 10 is 8. So when you look at the ratio, it is 4:1. So if one part is equal to 10 people, 4 part will be equal to how many people? If one part is equal to 10 people, then 4 part will be equal to what? Into 4 into 4, 40 people. So the answer is 40. Answer is 40. All right. I hope it is clear. Okay. Can you reply quickly one last time? Can everyone reply? Whoever is in the session. Abu Bakr, you don't reply at all. I don't know why, but I would love to see your reply also. Wonder. All right. Tasnia, Wonder, Surjo. Surjo, you reply. Thank you. All right. Now, one thing, people, in case if you feel like I haven't taken any question which you think that, okay, though I have taken each and every type of question from the averages, all right, but in case when you are practicing it and if you think that I have not taken that type of question, you can always send it on this email ID, stepup.learningsolutions.com. No, @gmail.com. Okay, you can send on this and I will take that question. Like, I remember one question I want to discuss, or like I have to discuss for percentage, not on percentage, or on numbers, which one student had sent. I will take that question for sure. I remember it. Okay. All right. Before we close for the day, I just want to share one, I will say, you can consider it as advice or whatever, suggestion, motivation. It's up to you what you want to take it as. So I'm sharing very personal thing. Why I'm sharing this? Like as I see many people, you are attending sessions very regularly. Like I remember the name of now all people. All right, Saloni, Sandali, Surjo, and who all? Eric is very regular. Jennifer is very regular. Today, Flywell is not there. People, those who are on YouTube, RK, Sushmita, and Sandali. So, yeah, the thing is, Rahul is also there, Rahul Yadav. I do remember Mahamudul and many. So, I don't know whether you remember or whether you were able to develop the connection with me or not. I don't know. Sorry, Sabyasachi. So the thing is that yesterday one of my nephews was asking me like, okay, who all you teach? What are the name of your students? So I was able to take all your names. I was feeling good about it that, okay, now whenever I do go ahead with this connection with the students, it happened with me in one of my sessions where I have shared my some story with the people, and later on they had emailed me that this had impacted us in a different way. So thank you for sharing. So from extremely sorry, Bikash. So from that time onwards, I just share few incidents about my life experience, which had helped me to grow a lot. All right. So here it comes, a very simple one. Then you have session also now. Like whenever you are preparing for something, ask for your why, like why you are doing this. All right. As I got to know that you have session right away. So I'll tell you why we will do this why thing, WHY. I'm extremely sorry, Abu Bakar. You don't reply often. Reply, be a player, don't be a spectator. All right. So I'll tell you, I will continue this, what happened with me, how I have changed, how this why had happened me to move on and to grow on. Okay. So as of now, you have another session right now. I got the link somewhere on the YouTube. Fine. So go for it, people. I remember this wonder. Okay. So take care, people. You have a session right now. Attend that. And Binay, you had some questions related to negative marking, not negative marking, pen and paper. Please ask those type of questions also. Okay. So Rahul, I'll answer this question in the next class. Till then, people take care and bye-bye. Keep practicing and we'll see you on Monday and we'll see. Okay. Rahul later. Okay. Take care, people. Bye-bye. Leave the group. Join another link, which is being given on YouTube. Thank you, Asnia.